So this problem says that Talia has different lengths of blue and red ribbon. Does she have more blue ribbon or red ribbon? So I'm going to use my fraction pieces, which you should have cut out at the beginning of this lesson. Get out your one whole piece, and this is going to represent 1 yard of the ribbon. And then we're going to build the blue ribbon and the red ribbon. So it says that there for blue ribbon, there's 2/3 of a yard. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab 2 of the 1/3 pieces and stack them side by side. You should observe that I have not got a whole yard of blue ribbon, but I have 2 out of 3 parts of blue ribbon. And for red ribbon, we're going to bring down the 1/3 because I have 1/3 of red ribbon. And then I would have to determine which one do I have more of. Well, I could see that I have more of the blue ribbon because it's closer to being 1 whole yard. I have 2 parts out of 3 instead of just having 1 part out of 3. If you wanted to do this on your number line, you would start by just setting up your 0 and your 1 whole. I have already partitioned this number line, as you can see. It has been, oh, that was ugly. It has been partitioned into 3 parts. So I have 1 out of 3 parts, and I have 2 out of 3 parts. And here at the end where 1 whole is, that would be the same as 3 out of 3 parts. And here's my first part, my second part, and my third part. Now, my red ribbon, it told me that I have 1/3 of that. So I'm just going to put a dot at 1/3. And I'm going to put an R for red. And then for my blue ribbon, it said that I had 2/3. So I'm going to put a dot at 2/3 and put a B for blue. And so if you think back to that opening solve and share question that we looked at, we talked about how on a number line, the fraction is getting larger as you move from left to right. So the fact that 2/3 is further down the number line means that 2/3 is a greater fraction than 1/3. So the answer to this problem, what does she have more blue ribbon or red ribbon? She has more blue ribbon than red ribbon.